Hello learners, on behalf of Skill Edge, I'm CA Ankit Bajaj. In today's talk, I will discuss about financial modeling, and I will discuss that why companies they prepare financial model, what is the importance of financial model, and I will be discussing about types of financial model in this lecture. So first of all, I will be sharing the file. So if you see here, what is the importance of financial model or what actually is financial model? We will be understanding this thing with the help of example. You know, so few months back, Zomato they have raised money from public by issuing their shares to public, right? So here Zomato they have sold their shares to public to raise money from public, right? So before selling their shares to the public, what they have done their valuation, right? And they got value of 60,000 crore rupees, right? They got value of 60,000 crore rupees, and out of 60,000 crore, what they have done, they have sold share of rupees 9,000 crore rupees 9,000 crore rupees to the public. Now, how they got the value of 60,000 crore, right? How they have calculated the value? For this purpose, what they have done, they have prepared financial model. So you might be able to understand that what is the use of financial model. So if you want to value any business to raise money from public or to raise money from banks or to attract investors, right? There could be several other reasons also. These are the basic reason why financial models are prepared. So what analysts do, they prepare financial model of different companies to find out whether to invest in that company or not, right? To find out whether this company will perform better in future or not. So here basically what analysts do, they take a historical financial statement of company, they see the historical performance of the company, and accordingly they forecast the revenues, they forecast the profit of company, and they try to find out whether any specific company or the company for which they are preparing financial model, whether that company will be performing better in future or not, or whether to invest in that business or not. So if you read the definition, you will get some clarity about financial model. A financial model is a simply a tool that built in spreadsheet. Generally, we prepare financial model in Excel, such as MS Excel, to forecast business financial performance into the future. You will be forecasting the sales, you will be forecasting the profit of that business. Forecasting is typically based on company's historical performance, assumption about the future, and requires preparing on income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, and supporting schedule, right? So with the help of these historical data and some assumptions, you will be able to prepare a financial model. What is financial model used for? We will see that what is the importance of financial model and where it can be used, right? So if you want to raise capital from bank, right? So what bank will do? Bank will ask for forecasted financial statement, right? Because bank also wants surety whether you will be able to pay their money in future or not. So definitely they will be trying to find out that how your business will perform in future, and accordingly they will be sanctioning the loan to you, right? If you want to raise money from public by issuing equity, again you need financial model to show the valuation of your business to public, and then public will be giving money to you, right? If let's suppose you are acquiring some other company, so definitely if you are acquiring some other company, so you should know the valuation of company. Let's suppose ABC Limited is acquiring XYZ Limited, right? So ABC Limited should know the value of XYZ Limited before giving money to XYZ Limited. So with the help of valuation of financial model techniques, you will be able to find out the value of this business, and after that you will be giving money to XYZ to acquire their business. Similarly, Facebook has acquired WhatsApp few years back, right? Now what Facebook has done, Facebook has prepared financial model of WhatsApp, right? And similarly, they have valued the WhatsApp business and they have given money to WhatsApp, right? Growing business organically, right? Let's suppose if you want to start a new business, right? If you are planning to start a new vertical, so what you will be doing, you will be trying to forecast whether that business will be able to generate profit or not. So to find out whether that new business will be able to generate profit or not, you will be preparing financial model, right? So there could be several reasons, right? Selling or divesting asset or business units, there are several reasons for which what you do, you prepare financial models, right? So this is what a where financial models are used. We have seen the definition of financial model. Now we will be discussing about types of financial model. So usually there are 10 types of financial model. I will be discussing about 5 financial model. I won't be taking all the 10 financial models due to time constraint. In next session, I will be taking remaining 5 financial model. So if you see, generally there are 10 most common type of financial models are there in industry. So I will be taking 5 financial model. First is three statement model. In three statement model, generally what we do, we take historical P&L account, balance sheet, and cash flow statement, right? And with these financial statement, what we do, we try to find out how company is performing and how company will be performing in future by preparing their future data, right? So this is what a three statement model. If I talk about discounted cash flow model, so most of the companies, or you can see mostly use model by industry is discounted cash flow model. Here what company will be doing, company will be forecasting the profit of business, right? And accordingly they will be investing into that business by using discounting method, right? So let's suppose there is a business, there is a startup, and we have forecasted the revenue of a startup, we have calculated the profit of startup. Let's suppose first year this startup will be earning 10,000 crore rupees. In second year this startup will be earning 20,000 crore rupees. In third year startup will be earning 25,000 crore rupees, and similar revenue profit it will be earning in coming years. So if I want to find out the value of this business, so simply what I will be doing, I will be using present value concept, and by using present value concept I will be discounting all cash flows. Once I will discount all cash flows, the summation of these present value or discounted cash flow is going to be the value of business, right? So there is a specific procedure which you have to follow. I'm just giving you brief idea. If you want to learn more about financial model, or why financial model or where financial model are used, so you can see our classes at Skill Edge application, or you can visit to our website skilledge.com. Merger and acquisition model. This model is used when you are acquiring any other company, right? So what you will be doing, you will be valuing the business of acquiring company, right, to whom you are acquiring. So merger model is used at the time of acquisition of another company, right? Initial public offer, right, when you are issuing your shares to the public. So there is another model which we use to find out the value of business, so that we can present our business to the investors, or we can show the valuation of our business to the investors, right? So there is another model, that is IPO model. Here we forecast our cash flows, we forecast our financial statement, we make some assumption, and then we prepare financial model. Another model is forecasting model. So this is the simplest model, you can say. Here with the help of assumptions, what you will be doing, you will be forecasting the revenues, the expenses, and the profit, and after that what you will be doing, you will be valuing any business, right? So on this basis, what generally what businesses do, businesses borrow money from banks or institutions, right? So for borrowing purpose they prepare forecasting model. So if you want to learn more about financial models, so you can visit to skilledge.com or Skill Edge website, right? So you will more learn about financial analyst profile. So thanks a lot guys, stay tuned with us for more.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon. #स्किल से करियर तक हम आपके साथ हैं.